Guys, welcome to Sabonzy Academy. In today's video, we'll be solving the question 13 of the 2019 Nov-Dec Commerce Theory questions. So we begin with question 13a. Question 13a. In the diagram, line PQ is a tangent to the circle ABT at T. ABC is a straight line and TC bisects angle BTQ. Find the value of M. So let's begin with the solution for our question 13. Now we know that angles between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So angle PTA is equal to angle ABT. So this side, and this side are alternate segments. And so we can say that angle PTA is equal to angle ABT, and this is equal to 60 degrees. Now when we look at the diagram again, we can say that angle ABT, which is this side, plus angle CBT, which is this side, is equal to 180 because angles on a straight line adds up to 180. So we can say that angle ABT plus angle CBT is equal to 180 degrees. Now we know that our angle ABT is 60 degrees. So we can say that 60 plus angle CBT is equal to 180. So our angle CBT will be equal to 180 minus 60. Now 180 minus 60 will give us 120. So angle CBT is equal to 120 degrees. Now 180 minus 60 is 120. So we can say that angle CBT is equal to 120 degrees. Also we can say that angle BTQ, so this side, is equal to angle BAT, this side, because they are alternate segments. So we can say that angle BTQ is equal to angle BAT, which is equal to 44 degrees. Alright, and we are told that the line TC is a perpendicular bisector of this side. So if the whole of this is 44, just this side will be 44 divided by 2, and this side will be 44 divided by 2. So we can say that angle BTC, so this is angle BTC, this side, just this side is angle BTC, is half of angle BTQ. So we can say angle BTC is equal to 1 over 2 angle BTQ. Now we know that our angle BTQ is 44. So we can say that angle BTC is equal to half times 44, and half of 44 is 22. So we can say that our angle BTC is equal to 22 degrees. Now from the question, we are asked to find M, and we know that angle BTC plus angle CBT plus angle BCT, which is M, is equal to 180 degrees, since interior angles of a triangle adds up to 180. So we can say that angle BTC plus angle TBC plus M is equal to 180. And we know our BTC is 22 degrees. Our TBC is what we found. So TBC is the same as CBT. So it's 120 degrees. So plus 120 plus M is equal to 180 degrees. Now 22 plus 120, we have 142. Plus M is equal to 180. So when we make M the subject, we have M is equal to 180 minus 142. So our M will be equal to 38 degrees. Okay. So this brings us to the end of question 13A. So we are moving on to question 13B. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. Question 13B. A number is selected at random each from the sets 2, 3, 5 and 4, 6, 7. Find the probability that the sum of the numbers selected is greater than 9. So let's begin with our solution for 13B. It says that we should find the probability that the sum of the numbers selected is greater than 9. Okay, so first let's look at all the possible sum we can get. So if we add in 2, 3, 5 and 4, 6, 7. Okay, so we can draw a table for this. So this is what our table will look like. Now 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 plus 6 is 8, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 4 is 7, 3 plus 6 is 9, 3 plus 7 is 10. Then we have 9, 11 and 12. Now let's look at the numbers that are greater than 9, because you are finding the probability that the sum of the numbers selected is greater than 9. So we have this, so it's 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So the probability that a number selected is greater than 9 is equal to the number of events, which is 3, because there are 3 numbers that are greater than 9 when we sum our numbers. So 3 over the total numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. Now 3 goes here 1, it goes here 3. So our probability will be 1 over 3. So this brings us to the end of question 13B and to the end of our 2019 Nov-Dec Commerce Theory questions.